Hello everyone, welcome to Indian Institute of Technology Roorkee, the oldest technical institution of Asia. Located at the foothills of Himalayas, it has the most beautiful and lush green campus which is full of life and energy. An energy that creates the best of engineers, those who change the course of this world and lead it to unimaginable glory. Beyond this gate lies the zone of excellence in almost all walks of life. So come, let's become a part of a legacy which is more than 150 years old. This is the magnificent Convocation Hall. It has a history which is unknown to many. It was used as a hangar during the Second World War. Let's go inside and unleash its beauty.
It all starts here. This is where the orientation program of freshies is held. It is the only place in the Insti which can hold the entire chunk of ITR at the same time. It features all the center stage events: Pehla Nasha, Just, Dhun, Footloose and Campus Princess, the most glamorous event of ITR which gets all the fortunate boys drooling.
The majestic architectural wonder that you are about to witness is the James Thomson Building. Situated at the heart of IIT Roorkee, it is popularly called the White House of IIT Roorkee. The building was designed in the Renaissance style with the flourishing garden in front of it. Being the administrative core of the campus, it houses numerous offices. The Students' Affairs Council meets and discusses its provisions and problems in the Senate Hall, which is also a part of this giant architectural manifestation.
MAC, the Multi-Activity Center. The name says it all. This is the rendezvous for all extracurricular activities of the campus. We believe in the philosophy, work hard, play hard. And when it comes to working hard, this is where we show up, the Mahatma Gandhi Central Library. This is one of the biggest libraries of North India. It houses a collection of several thousand books on a myriad of topics: art, craft, literature, and technology, of course.
This is LHC. Well, not the Large Hadron Collider if you thought so. This is the new lecture hall complex where we have most of our classes. With around 25 classrooms, this place bustles with activities from 8 to 6, even more during Thomso and Koglu. In ways, this place is like second home to students in the campus.
Earlier, IIT Roorkee was known for its excellent civil department, but with time, other departments like computer science, electronics, electrical, chemical, mechanical, and biotechnology have truly become at par. It wouldn't be exaggeration to call the recently built biotech department the crown jewel of IITR, with spacious laboratories equipped with advanced machines and brilliant minds. At the same time, mathematics and physics departments have consistently made their presence felt in bringing forth significant research papers both in theoretical and experimental fields.
Hi, sir. Sir, Chapo.
This is the liveliest and the bucket place of the institute, our cafeteria. Here you will find sweet and adorable couples, and of course the fall-on lessons. Here you will get a trivial chapo, if you are lucky enough to spot your seniors. And besides this, we have 4 other ardent cafes.
Being one of the best sports complex among all the leading universities of the country, it has amenities for all the major sports. Basketball, volleyball, cricket, football, lawn tennis, table tennis, hockey, swimming, squash, you name it. Don't just work on your mind, work on your body too. That's something we have always been taught. This is the sanctum sanctorum of all the inter-IT aspirants and wannabe dudes of the campus. And a Bounty Sports Complex with its world-class facilities serves the purpose in the best possible manner. The Culsoc, as it is popularly referred to, is a student body which is responsible for all the cultural events in the Insti round the year. Some of the various sections that are sheltered by Culsoc are choreography and dance section, dramatics, literary, and various magazines. The greatest season of festivity dawns over the campus during fests. HOMSO, our annual cultural fest, draws a great footfall and its exhilarating events are a feat to witness. Cognizance, claimed as the #1 tech fest of India, attracts a huge crowd of brilliant minds into the campus who compete in various events to prove their prowess. Shrishti, the annual tech exhibition, and sports fest like Sangram keep keen competitors on their toes throughout the year. We address our hostels as bhavans, keeping the nomenclature coherent with the culture of this place. Rajendra Bhavan, Ravindra Bhavan, and Govind Bhavan are some of the oldest hostels with well-maintained lawns, gyms, and TV rooms. Rajiv and RKV are relatively newer ones with metro-style architecture. From the top of these newer bhavans, we can get